everyone, welcome to D. Levine. If you're new, welcome. I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up if you're excited. Also, for those of you that are subscribed and aren't subscribed, make sure you hit that bell as well right after you subscribe. That notifies you every single time I put out a video. So today I'm super excited. You guys requested that I buy the cheapest thing at Chanel. I asked what the cheapest thing they had was. I will say that the cheapest thing that they did have was like these cotton pads, and it was like white circles. It had like CCs on them. I've actually tried those before, and I actually prefer the ones by Shiseido. The ones by Shiseido are $10 for like over 100, and they are bomb.com. Super excited to share what I got with you guys. It is, I guess, the second cheapest, but really technically it is the cheapest as far as application goes. This is the cheapest thing that you can get from Chanel. So this is the packaging. Comes in like this white Chanel bag. And clear paper, you know, it just says Chanel all over it. They gave me like a booklet. Let's see, what is this? Sublimage. It's their new cream, I guess. I have the La Lift cream. It works so well. I use it every single day. It is a little pricey, but I haven't tried their new one though. Okay. And they also hooked it up with samples on samples on samples, y'all. So they gave me samples of the Hydra Beauty Micro Serum Gel Cream. We got a mascara right here. We have just like an applicator. This is, oh, a Chanel Cleansing Towelette. Okay. Dries in seconds, leaving skin soft and smooth. And some foundations. They gave it to me in shade 40, so your girl must have got a little more tan. That's the AZ heat right there. Some sunscreen, and what is this? This is, oh, eyeshadows. That's cool. And is this the same one? Yeah, so she gave me two of the same one. I'll do close-ups on that. So anyways, here is what I got, and more wrapping. And I don't know, okay, where's the receipt? Okay, not sure where the receipt went, you guys. I totally thought I had it. But anyhow, here is what I got. Ta-da! I got nail polish, you guys. That is the cheapest thing, application-wise, that you can get from Chanel. And I got it in the color 560. So it's like a coral. It's one of their new spring colors, and I must say it is really a cute shade. And I have tons of nail polish, like nail polish galore, and I don't have this particular shade, and I feel like this shade is actually super cute for the spring especially, and you can, you know, also use it for the summer, but especially the spring. Like, yo girl, I will probably wear this shade next, so I'll let you guys know how it is once, you know, I get rid of this color. But yeah, this is what I got from Chanel, you guys. I mean, I think that it was $23. Yes, it was $23 or $26. I'm so mad I don't have the receipt. I will put it in the description box, the exact price. It was $23 though, or $26. I'm leaning more towards it being $26 though, but yeah, I will leave it down below. It's one of those two for sure. I have a few Chanel nail polishes, and they work really well. Again, I haven't really tested it compared to like really cheap nail polish, like affordable, like the ones, what is it, Sinful Colors. They sell their nail polish like $1.99 pop. So maybe, you know, just like if you guys saw my Hermes versus Dove soap review, let me know if y'all would like to see a Chanel nail polish versus, I don't know, Dollar Tree nail polish. Let me know down below if you want to see that. But this is what I got. And I believe the next thing up was the, what did she say? I believe it was like the lipstick, or yeah, it was like the lipstick or something. And those started, no, just kidding. I'm thinking about Pandora because your girl went to Pandora too. I'm going to do that one next. So yeah, this is what I got. I'm super excited to try this out. I will totally let you guys know how I like it, although I know I'm going to love it because, again, like I said, I have a few Chanel nail polishes and they work great. They work really, really great. But you know what? I don't have Louboutin. Christian Louboutin has these really cute nail polishes. I should probably order one and do a comparison. Chanel versus Christian Louboutin. Who wants to see that, y'all? Who wants to see that? I will link this particular color down below if you guys are interested in purchasing this. This is perfect for the spring, and I'm so happy to add it to my little mini Chanel nail polish collection. I don't collect nail polish, y'all. I'm just talking. But I had to do this video for you guys because y'all requested it, and I love you guys. And these just make me so excited and happy because honestly, it's just so interesting. Like, it's so, I never before this, like, what's the cheapest thing you can buy at whatever series, I never walk into a store and like, hi, what's the cheapest thing that you guys have here? I'd like to buy it. Like, I never did that. So I don't know, it's just really interesting seeing what all these, you know, high-end or designer luxury brands have at the lowest price. Y'all love them, so I'm going to keep providing them for you guys. Give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.